Yo, what is up, you guys? Easy money, another video. So I did get the yellow Fiero started. I ended up having to replace the map sensor, and I had to get a MAT sensor, an IAT sensor, temp sensor intake, temp sensor, battery, new connectors because the old ones are rusted, so better connection on that. Alternator I did get checked, and it is bad. I already pulled it. Right now I am swapping pulleys, because pulley on these, it even says on there pulley might need to be swapped, but this is the pulley that was on the new alternator, but I need this type of pulley. So pulling this one off, throwing it on here. I think later on I might go to a one size bigger pulley, just because I've read online they run better, I guess, and last longer. You have a slightly bigger pulley. I don't know. You guys let me know if that's true or not. I know race cars, it's true bigger pulleys, so it's not, I guess, over spinning the alternator. But I mean, this thing's stock, so I don't think I'll have a problem with that. Maybe in the future when I, boost this or something. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Got to pull this one off, swap it over, throw it back in the Fiero, start it back up. Should be good to go. I already did spark plugs, one with the E3s. Because I ran those in my old Fiero that I had in high school, and they ran amazing. So, but yeah, let's do it. Take this cover off, throw it on there, I guess. Kind of protects it from dust and stuff getting there. Look how messed up that thing is. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, this thing definitely need to replace. So, took this off the old one, just put it on here. Insulation was all melted out of there, or whatever. It was all disintegrated. Just took it out. So I guess there's no point in putting it on, but whatever. Well, easy enough. Let's do this. All right. There she is. Looks good. All right, cleaned her up a little bit. So, yeah. Is what it is for being at 85. What is that? 40 years old now, almost. So, alternator gets right down in there. There's the bracket. Holds it in place. So I got to put that top one in. That top bolt all the way in. It's a long bolt. Boom. And I just grip it down with the one on the bottom. But yeah. All right. Well, let's get to it. Yeah, so it's a little tricky if you decide to do it without putting it on jack stands or whatever. You slide it in under there, and that's the only spot you can kind of get it up to where it needs to be. So you just reach down, pick it up, and you put it in the slot over here, or the bracket, whatever. So, yep, gonna get that done real quick. Let's do it. Yes, I wear gloves. I'm used to it because I weld. Yeah, and all y'all that weld with no gloves, you don't do commercial welding. So when you weld, 400 or 500 feet a day, if you weren't wearing gloves or FR, your skin wouldn't have skin. So. Come here. Come on, you mother lover. This sucker was caked up, dude. Like it was like perfectly round. It was so caked up. Oh yeah, 10 times better. Better, it's a lot better. Sprayed it out, cleaned it up a lot, so should be able to plug in easier. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh. That's it right there. Yep. That's money. Easy money, baby. Let's go. Alrighty guys, she is all hooked up, good to go. About to fire her up, let's go. Well guys, got this all installed and everything. I should have known something was wrong because when I went to tighten this up, this was loose. So when I went to tighten it up, the thing was moving, which I wasn't paying attention to where it was moving, but that positive, I guess, nicked the end of this freaking screw right here, this nut, bolt, whatever, and it started arcing out. So I don't know why that's loose. It came from the factory like that. I don't get it. I barely tightened this down. I don't know. So now I gotta take it all back apart, take the pulley off, and I gotta go back to O'Reilly's and get another one. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alrighty guys, got the new alternator. So just a quick note, anybody who gets a alternator and you see the screw sticking out like this, and it's right next to this positive terminal, look at that. That's just asking to be ground off to. Like, so what I'm going to do when I get back to the shop is I'm going to cut that down flush. Because the old alternator, it was flush. So, just a little flawed design, I guess. So, but yeah, just tip for you guys so you guys don't make the same mistake, I guess. Which, I mean, on that one, this was loose anyways, which caused me to ground it to this because it kept spinning when I was tightening it. So, but yeah, I'm going to cut that off. Alrighty guys, didn't want to bore you with the third time trying to get this damn alternator in and out. So, got it installed. It actually took me about 10 minutes to do it this time since I knew what I was doing. So, see if hopefully I didn't fry anything. Let's try to start it up. Alright guys, well, nice short and sweet video. Swapping the alternator out, getting this thing on the road. Got a couple more things I'm going to do to it so I can drive it Monday. Gosh darn it. Alright, well, that was a fail. Hopefully it don't die again. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, just curious guys. Actually cranks over. We do this real quick before stupid thing dies again. Look at this. Watch this, man. So I got an extra motor. But yeah, thought that was cool. So I'll be keeping this motor when I pull it out. I don't know, we'll see. But appreciate y'all. I just thought that was cool. I don't know. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.